In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Reader Mode in Chrome quickly and easily. If you've ever opened a cluttered web page full of ads, pop-ups, sidebars, and distracting extras, Reader Mode can make the page much cleaner and easier to focus on. It's a simple feature that can improve your reading experience in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick browser tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and go to any web page that you want to read more comfortably. This could be an article, a blog post, a news page, or any website with a lot of text. Once the page is open, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This opens the main browser settings and tools menu. From there, hover your mouse over More Tools. When you do that, another menu will appear with extra browser options. In that menu, click on Reading Mode. Chrome will then switch the page into a simplified reader view, removing much of the clutter and leaving you with a cleaner, focused layout. Depending on the web page, Reader Mode may instantly make the text easier to follow, larger to read, and far less distracting. This is especially helpful if you're reading long articles, studying online, or just want a better experience with all the visual noise. If the page looks a little different after switching modes, that's completely normal. The point is to give you a more comfortable reading setup. If you want to go back to the normal web page view, you can usually use the browser controls or refresh the page depending on the site and your Chrome version. But for reading, this mode is a great tool to keep in mind whenever you need a cleaner view. And that's it. That's how to use Reader Mode in Chrome. It only takes a few steps, but it can make a big difference when you're browsing text-heavy pages. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.